Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong third quarter ng 2024. So that's July, August, September. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So let's see what's coming to you, Scorpio. Third quarter ng 2024. Okay. We have desert. Desert is about adaptation, being more resilient. So, kung ano man yung mga challenges na pagdadaanan nyo ngayong third quarter, magagawan nyo ng paraan yan. No? Kayang-kaya nyong mag-adapt. You're more flexible. Marami ka pang kayang gawin na pwedeng marirealize mo lang to the moment na dumating yung pagsubok na yon, na parang may isip mo na, wow, ganun ka pala kalakas. Okay? So this is about having unshakable well-being. So you have that strength, that courage. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the cloud. Okay. Itong cloud is about daydreaming. No? Maaring magpo-focus ka rin sa mga yung mga pangarap, no? Yung mga visions mo, yung pagiging conscious mo pagdating sa creativity mo. Maaring meron kang mga plans, no, na bubuuhin, mga pangarap na bubuuhin ngayong third quarter ng 2024. Because that energy is about conscious creation, visualization, imagination. You also have lion. Yan. Lion is strength, di ba? And lion is also about your courage, no? Lakas ng loob na harapin ang any challenge na darating sa buhay mo. So you have that strength that you need. This is also justice, no? Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng katarungan, kung meron mang taong nakagawa ng mali sa'yo or merong taong nilamangan ka, kung may mga court cases, there's a big possibility that you will get the justice that you deserve. Okay? So let's see what else. Ano pa yung parating ngayong third quarter ng 2024, July, August, September. The Emperor. So this is someone na very disciplined, no? So you are planning everything that you want to achieve ngayong third quarter. Some of you maaring merong leadership role na aakuin ngayong third quarter. This can be a new start of a career, a new start ng new beginning sa business. So, pagdating sa finances mo rin, maaring meron kang bagong investment. Yung iba, maaring mag-invest sa lupa, parerentahan nyo or patatayuan nyo ng Airbnb o ganon. You have the Seven of Pentacles. Yung meron kang hinihintay na parang naghihintay ka ng resulta dito sa mga pinaghirapan mo at pinagpaguran mo, na in-effortan mo sa career, sa trabaho, sa business. And ngayong third quarter, you will see the results. Makikita mo na yung resulta nun. Okay? You also have the Knight of Swords. Some of you, meron kayong, maaaring magkaroon ng misunderstanding with someone na katrabaho mo, no? Same workplace, or parang pwedeng may issue sa properties, okay? Kung kayo ay nagpaparenta ng bahay, possible na magkaroon ng conflict doon sa nagrerenta sa inyo. You also have the Eight of Wands. So you're going to be very busy. Maraming ganap. Maraming mga action na gagawin. So meron din ritong pagmamadali, no? So yung iba, maaring meron kayong mamadaliin na matapos na proyekto. Kung kayo nagpapagawa ng bahay, baka mamadaliin nyo na matapos yung bahay na yon. Of course, kung talagang kaya naman na madaliin, then hayaan niyo na madaliin. Pero kung mamadaliin tapos masa-sacrifice na yung quality, 'no? So, medyo ano lang, mag-ingat sa gano'n kasi puwedeng kayo rin yung mahirapan in the end. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the Ace of Staves, you have the Queen of Staves, and then the Knight of Swords. So, dalawang beses lumabas yung Knight of Swords. Maaring ano talaga, sa workplace, meron ditong pwedeng magkaroon ng alitan, hindi pagkakaunawaan. Para kasing ano I feel like there is someone na maaring ma-insecure sa'yo sa trabaho, oo, or sa business na parang they see you as a competitor. Ang tingin sa'yo, ikaw ay kalaban or yun nga, competitor. Okay lang naman kung makikipag-compete itong taong to sa'yo as long as it's a healthy competition. No? Mm-mm. May change in direction. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, Scorpio, may major decision kayo na gagawin sa trabaho, sa business, sa career. Maaring may kino-consider kayo na bagong opportunity. Pero ano to medyo kailangan mo tong pag-aralang maigi. Oo, uy. Yung iba siguro maaring ang isa sa i-consider nyo is yung pag-abroad. Kung may bala kayo na mag-abroad. Kasi meron ditong long distance travel. Siguro isa yun sa iniisip niya na, so kukunin ko na ba tong opportunity na to sa pag-abroad or mag-stay muna ako? But I think, whatever, ano man yung decision mo na gagawin, this is going to be exciting for you. At magbibigay ito sa'yo ng freedom, kalayaan. Okay, sa iyong love life, you have the Tower. Oh, Page of Pentacles. And the Sun. Some of you are going to move on na. Kung kayo ay na-stuck, if you were feeling stuck in the past, na yung iba kahit wala na kayo sa relationship na yan, andun pa rin yung feeling na, you're still trying to heal, you are moving on, you're trying to move on. So I think ngayong third quarter, you're finally starting something na magbubukas ng bagong buhay for you. And you will find more happiness the moment na i-let go mo na yan at palayain mo na yung sarili mo. There is also, nako ha, meron ditong betrayal. Pwedeng unexpected betrayal from someone na akala mo kayo na ng person na to. Oo, of course, hindi naman ito mag-resonate para sa lahat, but for some of you, ganun parang napag-uusapan nyo na yung marriage or settling down, but it seems na na-realize mo that this person ay hindi niya din-deserve, no? Yung iyong pagmamahal or yung iyong attention. And you know what? You are very strong, no? To handle this challenge in your love life or in your relationship. So, I think mabilis ka lang din na makaka-recover from that. Kumbaga may mga bagay na tinatanggal nga sa atin para maibigay sa atin kung ano yung best for us. And that's what I'm seeing for you. Can be any type of relationship, pwedeng friendship, sa family. It's something unexpected, okay? Strength, take time to make clear decisions, bring awareness and light to the situation. Yes. Huwag daw magpadalos-dalos sa pagdedesisyon, kailangan pag-isipan mo munang maigi. Okay? Para maiwasan mo yung mga pagkakamali, no? Or yung makasisihin mo yung sarili mo. And bring awareness to the situation. Kaya nga, kung meron kang decision making, pag-aaralan mo, no? Para sure na sure ka na you are on the right path. Okay? So, hindi mo siya mamadaliin. Kaya nga, ngayong third quarter, iiwasan mo na magmadali in making any decisions. Whether sa career man yan, sa relationship, or yung mga personal projects mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye!